Okay, so I will show what I've built for this hackathon. So basically, I've built an AMM. It's like concentrated, like a concentrated AMM, kind of like if you know Meteor's AMM that they use to like launch all the meme coins. It's kind of like that. So basically, uh, each pool is kind of split into discrete bins. So there's a bin here, and like it has an ID, and each bin within each bin the price is constant. So it has like some reserves, and like if you swap within a bin, the price is constant. Um, so like for example, let me swap one XLM and I'll tell you the price. Blah blah blah. So swap function, your account, the amount you're swapping, the minimum out, and the swap token. Yes. Okay. So yeah, you transfer XLM, you get UCC back, blah blah blah, and like this is the important part. So each of these numbers is the reserve of a bin, um, and all of them there's only one number. Due to like implementation details, you can like store it this way. You can optimize it, and only the active bin, so the bin where if you swap, that's the where you will swap, actually needs to hold. Only there do you actually need to store the reserves of both tokens. Um, yeah, I'm kind of blind, so I can't find it right now. But yes, I found it. So here you see, it's like all of the other ones are like vectors with single elements, but this one has two elements. But if you look at the interface, you'll see a bin is like this, and normally this will be stored as a map. But to save on storage, I create some custom code to like store it in an optimized way. So you can provide liquidity as well, and this is what makes it like I guess special compared to Uniswap v2. So you basically you can specify the range, and then each of these bins has like a price, as you can see, and the yellow one is the active bin. And you also you can have multiple positions. So right now I'm gonna be depositing liquidity in position, let's say 3, because blah blah blah. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So basically, we call this modify liquidity function, and we call it with the position and a vector of deposit arguments. Where's the deposit arguments? Yeah. So this it tells you the amount you want to deposit, the bin ID, and whether you are actually depositing or removing liquidity, because you can use the function to either deposit or remove liquidity. And this is helpful when you want to like update your position in one call. So let's see here. So here where I created a new position and I stored the shares for each of the bins. So each of the bins has their own share, like kind of like default shares kind of thing. I updated the amounts because I deposited, and here I updated the total shares because I got some shares. And if I go to here and I enter 3, you'll see that I deposit liquidity in this bin range and the price. And I did not do this yet. So yeah, that's it. Here you can see some config of the pool. So the current active bin, the bin step, which is like the difference between the price of each bin. And yeah, so